Okay, we're back. This time with alligator clamps. So we'll try this again and see if it makes any difference at all. But the same thing into measuring resistance. Ooh, that seems not very good. Well, you try it on parts of the vacuum and see if it helps out at all. These are a lot shorter, or maybe, I don't know, it feels like it at least. So if we go between the lid, it's measuring super high. I wonder if that's because lid resistance is just inherently bigger on this. So it didn't zero it out at all. If I lay it down flat, it's still fluctuating between like hundreds of milliohms. If I put it where it won't move, does it still? It's still pretty big. So that seems to fluctuate a lot less. Just to see, I wonder if put it back to how it was and then use this as a reference to tear it from or to zero it out from. You can see at least how close everything is. See if it makes any difference. If you go from here to let's see, where's another part I can clamp this onto. This lip down there, negative 0.07 ohms, 0.08. Okay. If we go between between here and here. It'll fit around there. Yes, it does. It's a lot bigger, but it's stable. Yeah, I'm not liking the alligator clamps as much. Maybe I could be doing it wrong. I'll probably still upload this video just to show what happened, but I think the regular probes might be better.